Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. Happy Wednesday. My name is Whitney Kmetz, a nutrition educator out of CCE Chenango County, and today I'm going to be whipping up a homemade banana bread for you guys. In this bowl I have 3 bananas that are large, well-ripe bananas that I have already mashed, so they're all ready to go. And now what I'm going to do is add in the other ingredients. So we have 1 egg, 1/3 a cup of milk, and you want to try to make sure that you're using a skim or a low fat milk for this. It will reduce some of your saturated fat in the recipe. 1/3 of a cup of sugar, and this can just be a white granulated sugar. And then also you're going to add in the baking soda, so that is 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Nice thing is we can still use that fork that we mashed our bananas with at this point. So all you're going to do is take your fork and stir all of this together. Also too, before I forget, I also want to add in my oil. So this is going to be 2 tablespoons of an oil. I like to use canola oil. The recipe calls for vegetable. Canola is just a little bit better for you. So I have my 2 tablespoons of canola oil. Again, just make sure you give it a good stir, and then all we need to do is put in our flour. And then we're just going to give this a stir, only stirring about 20 seconds. You don't want to over stir your banana bread. I always like to go from the bottom up and almost make like a half a circle when you're doing it, just like this. Okay, so give it a few good stirs. Then at this time, it's a great time to preheat your oven. And we're going to put this in the oven for about 45 minutes, 350 degrees, and then we can enjoy it. Okay, so I have my lightly greased pan here. I'm going to add in my mixture for my banana bread. Like I said, we're going to put this in the oven for about 45 minutes. And I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I absolutely love this recipe. It's nice and moist, and everybody always enjoys this. Thank you so much, everybody. I hope everybody has a great day. Take care.